friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to learn about the procedure to be followed in Finacle for creation of Customer Information File ID, which is also called as CIF ID to a customer. On the receipt of account opening form and KYC form from the customer, the counter postal assistant needs to check whether any CIF ID exists in the name of the customer. If there is no CIF ID in the name of the customer, then the menu CCRC to be invoked by the counter PA for the creation of CIF ID. Choose Add option from the function field and click on Go. In the Title tab, for Mr. type MR, for Mistress type MRS, for Master type select MR, for Miss type MS. Alternatively, the search icon can be clicked to select the title from the list. Enter the name of the customer in the first, middle and the last name field. The name of the customer should match exactly with the name available in the ID and address proof. Enter the father's name in the field. Choose PAN card available in the tax status field. PAN card is now mandatory for opening of account. If the customer does not have a PAN card, they can provide Form 60, which is valid only for 2 months, and they must update PAN card within 2 months from the date of opening of account. Enter the PAN card number in the PAN card number field. After entering the PAN card, it will ask for the authentication. Click Validate. Once you click Validate, you will get the data from NSDL server. Cross-check the name and click OK. The PAN status should be shown as existing and valid. Enter the date of birth in DD, YY format. Otherwise, you can use the calendar icon to select the date of birth. Select the gender by clicking on the radio button of the appropriate gender. Choose KYC status as document submitted and occupation type as salaried or business or student or others. If it is a salaried customer, then enter the monthly income. In the document type field, enter IDPRF. You can also choose this by clicking on the search icon next to it. In the list of documents, multiple options like ID proof, income proof, weight, etc. are available. IDPRF to be selected from the list. Document code field. Click the search icon and choose Aadhaar card by clicking the code ADHAR. Enter the unique ID number, that is 12-digit Aadhaar number in this field. Set the radio button in the UID authenticated field and radio button as yes in the preferred flag field. Now enter the address. Address should also match exactly with that available in the address proof. Please note, for opening of an account, the customer must produce one valid ID proof and one valid address proof also. Please type the address details in the address line 1 and enter the PIN code. Once the PIN code is entered, the other fields like city and state will populate automatically. Now choose mobile in the mobile type field. Enter the mobile number of the customer. As per the SB Order 17 of 2022 dated 10th of October 2022, one mobile number can be linked with a maximum of 5 CIFs. If the email ID of the customer is available, enter the same in the email ID field. Nationality will be Indian by default. Tax deducted at source code. Click the search icon. We have got 5 options. They are no PAN. Choose this option if the customer has not produced the PAN, but they have given Form 60. NOPNS, the second choice. NOPNS, which means the customer is a senior citizen and not produced the PAN card, but Form 60 is collected. Third option is no tax. This option should not be used. TDS NR is the next option, which means the customer has submitted PAN card and he is not the senior citizen. Next option is TDS NS. This means the customer is a senior citizen and the PAN card is submitted by them. Primary Relationship Manager field. This is a standard key. Enter CIFRM, which is the standard key. Mother maiden name. This field is a mandatory if you are enabling net banking or the mobile banking facility for the customer. Enter the short name of the customer in the short name field. Risk category. There are 3 types of risk categories under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, that is PMLA. Low risk. If the total deposit of the customer is below 50,000. Medium risk category. If the customer's total deposit is between 50,000 and rupees 10 lakhs. High risk category. If the customer's deposit exceeds 10 lakhs. Carefully choose the above option according to the requirement. Click on the Submit. CIF number is created successfully. Come to Postal Assistant to note down the CIF number on the account opening form and KYC form. Supervisor needs to verify the CIF created using the menu CCRC. Friends, hope you have understood the steps to be followed in Finacle for creation of CIF ID. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.